Good morning, class. Welcome back. So let's now continue with the chapter multiplication. Last class we have completed till 4e. Now let's move ahead. Today we will be learning about the properties of multiplication. So let's begin.
Multiplication properties at Rosie's flower shop. There are 3 multiplication properties. They are: Property 1. Order property of multiplication. Let us take an example in Rosie's shop and check this property. Look here. There are 4 baskets. Each basket contains 6 flowers. How many flowers are there altogether? 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So, there are 24 flowers. But look here. There are 6 baskets and each basket contains 4 flowers. So, how many flowers are there altogether? 6 into 4 is equal to 24. There too are 24 flowers in all. So we see that 4 into 6 is equal to 24 and 6 into 4 is also equal to 24. Thus we know that even after changing the order of the factors, the product does not change. This property is also called commutative property. Property 2. Zero property of multiplication. Look, there are 5 flower baskets. There are 0 flowers in each basket. How many flowers are there altogether? Here, there are 5 baskets, but there are no flowers in each. That is, there are 0 flowers in each. So, 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Thus, we say that if 0 is multiplied to any number, the product is always 0. Property 3. When 1 is multiplied to any number, the product is always the number itself. Look, there are 4 flower baskets here. Each basket contains 1 flower in it. How many flowers are there altogether? Here, there are 4 baskets and 1 flower in each. Now, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So, here we multiplied the number 4 by 1 and we got the answer as 4. That is the number itself. I liked learning the multiplication properties at Rosie's flower shop. Didn't you?
So what are all the properties of multiplication? This is the orderly property, which means that, for example, if we have 4 into 3, it is equal to 3 into 4, and both of them will have the same answer, that is 12. Similarly, 2 into 9 will be equal to 9 into 2, and both of them will have the same answer as 18. Now let's move to the next property, that is multiplication of 1. Whenever we multiply a number by 1, we'll get the same number. For example, 4 into 1, we'll get the answer as 4 itself. Now the next property, that is multiplication by 0. So whenever we multiply any number by 0, we'll get the 0 itself, right? Now let's move to the exercise 4D. So in the exercise 4D, let us use the properties and solve the questions. So the first one is 8 into 5. This will be equal to, according to the orderly property, what does it state? 8 into 5 will be equal to 5 into 8. Right. Now the next question, 2 into 9. This will be again be equal to 9 into 2. Right. Similarly, you can do the C and the D part as homework. Now let's move to the E part. 7 into 1. What is the property of multiplication with 1? It states that whenever we multiply by 1, we'll get the number itself. So we'll get 7 over here, and we'll get 13 over here. Now let's move to the next question. 32 into 0. Whenever we multiply a number by 0, we get the answer as 0. Right? Now in the second question, we have to find the product. Here we are multiplying 11 by 1. So whenever we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. So we can write it as 11, right? Similarly, when we now multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. So we can directly put the answer as 0, right? Similarly, using the same properties, you can do the C and the D part. Now let's move to the multiplication of 2 and 3-digit numbers. Now the next topic, that is multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number without regrouping. So let's watch this video and know the details.
With a ferry ride. Look, there are 2 ferries. Each ferry carries 41 people in it. How many passengers do the 2 ferries carry in all? First, write the numbers in the place value chart. Now, multiply the digit in the ones place with the multiplier 2. So, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 ones. Now, multiply the digit in the tens place with the multiplier 2. Therefore, 4 into 2 is equal to 8 tens. We found the answer. In totality, the 2 ferries can carry 82 passengers. Wow! The ferry ride was awesome. Don't stop, friends. Bus will take us to the next destination. Let us begin. Can you see those 3 buses? Each bus carries 32 passengers in it. How many passengers do the 3 buses carry in all? 2 into 3 is equal to 6 ones. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 tens. So, the final product is 96. There are 96 passengers in 3 buses.
So next topic is to multiply 2 and 3-digit numbers without regrouping, right? For example, we have to multiply 23 by 3. Let us see it over here. We are putting 23 in the tens and the ones position, and we are multiplying with 3, which is in the ones position. So first we will multiply the 3 with the 3 over here, and we get the answer as 9. The second step will be to multiply 2 and 3 again and write it in the tens position. So we will get the answer as 69, right? So now we'll move to the exercise 4E. So in the exercise 4E, the first question, that is 34 into 2. So we'll first multiply the digits in the ones place, that is 4 twos are 8, and then the digit in the tens place with this number, that is 3 twos are 6, and write it in the tens position, right? So firstly we'll multiply this, and then we'll multiply this. Right? Now let's go to the B part. That is 4 into 1. That is answer is 4. And then 4 2s are 8. Right? Now the C and D part, you can do it as homework. Let's do the E part. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Right? 4 2s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8. Similarly, you can do the G and the H part as homework. In the next question, we have a 3-digit number multiplied to a single number. So over here, the steps will be the same. First, we'll multiply this and write it in the ones position. 3 ones are 3. Next, we'll multiply this and write it in the tens position. That is 3 3s are 9. And then next, we'll multiply this and write it in the hundreds position. 3 3s are 9. One more. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And 3 2s are 6. So right now we have done this also. Now let's do one last one for you. Here we have 3 2s are, answer will be 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Right? So for today, your homework is to complete the exercise 4D and 4A. Okay? Thank you. Have a great day.